morning, students. Yesterday we have completed exercise 9.3. Today we are going to revision exercise of chapter 9. Chapter 9 is time. You know very well what is the time. And so we have done 3 exercises. You know very well of this chapter. Now we will start from question 1. A leap year has dash days. 366. Normally days are in a year 365, but there is asking leap year. 366 days are in leap year. Now every after fourth year one day will increase. One day increase. Okay, now part B of this question. This is part A. Part B. 4 months dash 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 and dash of the year have days. Now we will start. Which months have 30 days? January has 31 days. February 29 or 20 days. March 31 days. April 30 days. April. May has 31 days. June has 30 days. July and August has 31 days. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. November has 30 days. These 4 months has 30 days. Part C is a year has dash week. एक ईयर में कितने वीक्स होते हैं? 52 वीक्स इन अ ईयर. Part D, an hour has dash minute. 60 minutes has 1 hour. Question 2. Question 2 is convert the following into higher unit. 7 days, 6 hours. 6 hours. Days is bigger unit, hours are lower unit. So we will change higher unit, it means days. Now we will convert hours in days. 24 hours in 1 day. 6 hours 1 by 24 multiplied by 6. 6 1 jar 6, 6 4 jar 24. 1 by 4 hours. Now we will multiply 7 days. Multiply 1 by 4. 1 by 4 days. 1 by 4 days. 7 by 4 days in 6 hours. 7 side 1 by 4. 7 side 1 by 4 days. Now part B of this question. Part B. There is given 28 minutes 30 seconds. 28 minutes 30 seconds. Bigger unit is minute, lower unit is second. Now we will convert first second into minutes. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 30 seconds equal to 30 upon 60. 0 to 0 cancel. 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6. 1 by 2 minute. Now there is 28 minute. 28 side 1 by 2 minute. 2.5 minute. We can say 28 side by 1 by 2. 28 side 1 by 2. We can say 28 and half. Part C is 25 hours 50 minutes. 25 hours 50 minutes. Now we will change. Minutes is lower unit, hour is higher unit. We will change 50 minute into hour. 60 minute equal to 1 hour. 50 minute equal to 50 upon 60. 0 to 0 cancel. 5 by 6 minute. 5 by 6 minute. There is given, sorry, hour. There is given 25 hours and we can write 25 side 1, 5 by 6 hours. Part D. Part D is 5 weeks 4 days. 5 weeks 4 days. Now we will convert days into weeks. 7. How many weeks in how many days in a week? 7 days. 7 days equal to 1 week. 4 days equal to 4 divided by 7. We can say 4 by 7. 5 weeks is given. 5 plus 4 by 7 equal to 5 side 4 by 7. Next is part E. 8 months 20 days. 8 months 20 days. Now how many days in 1 month? 30 days. 30 days equal to 1 month. 20 days equal to 20 divided by 30. 20 upon 30. 8 months plus 0 to 0 cancel plus 2 by 3 months. 8 side 2 by 3 months is answer. Next is part F. Part F is 5 years 9 months. 5 years 9 months. 1 month equal to 12 month equal to 1 year. 9 month equal to 9 divided by 12. We can write 9 by 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Both numerator and denominator cancel by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 3 by 4 years. If we add 5 years plus 3 by 4. So we can write 5 side 3 by 4 years. Next is question 3. Question 3 is convert the following into lower unit. Convert into lower unit. Part A. 7 minutes 15 seconds. 7 minutes 15 seconds. Now we will convert into higher unit to into lower unit. Higher unit is a minute, lower is second. First we will change minute into second. 1 minute equal to 60 second. 7 minute equal to 60 multiplied by 7, 420 second, and 15 second is also given. 420 plus 15, 435 second is answer. Part B. Part B is 12 hours 30 minutes. 12 hours 30 minutes. First we will change hour into minute. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 12 hours equal to 60 multiplied by 12 equal to 12 7 jar 6 jars 72 minutes, and 30 minutes also given. 722 plus 30, 750 minutes is answer. Now we will see question part C of this question. Part C. 12 days 10 hours. 12 days 10 hours. Now we will convert days into hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 12 days equal to 24 multiplied by 12. 12 4s are 48. Carry over 4. 12 2s are 24 plus 4, 228 hours. And 10 hours is given. 288 plus 10 equal to 298 hours is answer. Now question 4. Question 4 is convert the following 24 hours clock timing 6:15 a.m. 6:15 a.m. If we convert into 12-hour clock, and we will add 12 into the given timing. If we add 12, 15 will be as it is 18. 15 hours is answer. Now we will write here hours, and not we will write AM or PM, and not write these dots in between the timing. Now next part B of this question. Part B is 6:15 hours. 6. Part A, we will see again part A. 6:15 is AM, and if we change in 12-hour clock, so we will remove these are dotted 6:15, and we will write hours. Now part B. Part B is 11:25 AM, and we can write 11:25 hours. Only we will write hours, and these dotted will remove. Now next part C. Noon. Noon means 12. 12 noon. We can write 12 hours. 12 hours. Next part D. Part D is 8:15 p.m. 8:15 p.m. 8:15 hours. Question 5. Question 5 is Ramesh left home on Sunday at 6:30. Question 5. Leaving time equal to 6:30. 6:30 a.m. and return on Monday 8:30 p.m. Time 8:30 p.m. on Monday. Leaving time on Sunday and return time on Monday. How long he away from home? 6:30 Sunday to 6:30 Monday. AM to AM Monday 12 hours and AM to 6:30 PM on Monday 12 hours and 6:30 to 8:30 2 hours. 12 plus 12 is 24 plus 2 26 hours. 26 hours he away from home. He away from home. Now next question is 6. A flight to Ahmedabad was scheduled to leave at Delhi at 11:15 a.m. Due to foggy condition of the flight was delayed 3 hours 20 minutes. And what time did the flight to Ahmedabad take off? 11:15 to leaving time. Leaving time is here. Is equal to 11:15 a.m. 11:15 a.m. And due to foggy condition, the flight was delayed 3 hours by 3 hours. Delayed time. Time equal to 3 hours 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes. And how? At what time did he flight Ahmedabad take off? Ahmedabad take off. Take off in Ahmedabad. Take off in Ahmedabad equal to 11:50 is in leaving time. Delayed time is 3:20. And what time he take off? 11:13. There is, if we add 14:35. If we both 11:15 and 3:20, 14:35. But 12, we will subtract 12 2:35 p.m. The flight take off in Ahmedabad. Students, I hope you have understood of this exercise and do practice properly of this exercise at home. If you students, if you have any problem, you can do more and more practice of this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.